How to create Sweat Wallet account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Sweat Wallet account. To create Sweat Wallet account, first of all, you will need to ensure that you have an account on Sweatcoin. If you haven't created Sweatcoin account yet, then first of all, you will need to open an account on Sweatcoin. For that, open your Sweatcoin application on your mobile device, and once you open the app, here you'll be able to see sign up with Google option. Tap on this button and now select a Google account. Once you select the Google account, here now tap on this continue button below. After that, you will reach to this page. Here you will need to access physical activity. Tap on this button at the very bottom and then allow access to your physical activity. Tap on allow. Here you will need to enable Google Fit. Tap on enable Google Fit. You will also get the option to skip this step. After that, you will reach to this page. Here, if you like to receive push notifications, you can tap on yes please. If not, you can tap on no thanks. Once doing that, here you will need to allow step counting. If you like to give permission to your step counting, if not, you may also get the option to skip it. Choose the one based on your preference at the bottom. After that, here you will need to tap on this allow button in order to run Sweatcoin in the background. If you don't want that, you may also tap on deny option right here. After that, you will see you have successfully created an account on Sweatcoin. Here you will be asked to set up your goal. Tap on set up my goal and here you will be able to create an account on Sweatcoin. Once the account has been created, now you need to tap on the profile icon at the top right. Once you tap on it, here tap on the pencil icon at the top right and then copy your username. Once you have copied your username, now open your Sweat Wallet application on your mobile device and here you need to choose continue with Sweatcoin. After that, here you will see this allow step counting option. If you haven't allowed it before, here you will need to allow this option. Tap on allow step counting and tap on allow right here. After that, here you will need to tap on this opt into crypto. Soon after doing that, you will see you have successfully created your Sweat Wallet account. Now you can tap on this open Sweat Wallet and from there you will see you have successfully created an account on Sweat Wallet. Tap on let's start, tap on next at the bottom, tap on next once again and then finally tap on open your wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to create Sweat Wallet account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.